Greetings to all who are part of Shiloh and Grace United Methodist Church and anyone else who is joining us and finding this online. We are just excited to be celebrating our first Christmas together as two congregations who have become one. We've been worshiping together for almost a year now, and this will be our first Christmas celebration together on Christmas Eve night at 5 o'clock, a candlelight service. So we hope you'll invite your friends and family for this wonderful time to reflect on the story of Christmas, that baby in the manger, and God who came near to us, the God of all creation, who spoke and whispered his love to us through this child born in Bethlehem. So take some time out of your Christmas celebrations to really focus in on that beautiful truth that brings us together. We hope that you will have a wonderful Christmas with your family, your friends, with your loved ones, and we hope to see you here again at 5 o'clock on Christmas Eve. I want to share with you now a song from this morning from our praise band, Standing Firm, a beautiful star of Bethlehem, just a little Christmas gift from us here at Shiloh and Grace to you. And so Merry Christmas, and may you follow that star wherever it leads to God's light in your life and in our world. God bless and Merry Christmas.